Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney, and today in this video we are going to learn how you can pledge your holdings using RMoney Rocket App. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, you have to log in into your RMoney Rocket App. Once you logged in, tap on this hamburger menu and select Trading. Then go to Pledge and Unpledge option. And on this screen, you will see a list of securities that are eligible for pledging. Now it's important to understand that each securities have different haircut percentage as per exchange rules, which means the margin you will be using depending upon the security you are pledging. So always check the haircut percentage before applying the pledge request. Alright, so now select the security you want to pledge and enter the quantity. You will also see how many units of that particular security you are currently holding. For example, here it is showing as 1. But suppose if you have 100 quantities, then the total quantity displayed would be 100. Here you will notice the haircut applied and the margin amount you will get received after the haircut is deducted. Once you review all the details, simply tap apply to submit the pledge request. And to check the pledge request, go back to trading option, select pledge status, and here you can track your request if it is pending or approved. As soon as the pledge request is approved, the margin will be credited to your account. That's it. Thank you for watching.